In the whole wide world, honking is the only language that everyone understands. You don't have to be Iranian, you don't have to be Saudi, you don't have to be Indian, you don't have to be anything. Honk, get the fuck out of the way. In every language possible. In every language possible. Honk! Fucking move! What other language? Farsi?
It's Urdu, Punjabi.
Punjabi?
Yeah, everything.
English? Yeah. Russian? Honk! Fucking move! Fuck you! Universal. Am I right?
Right.
Say fuck you real quick on the horn. Press the horn. Fuck you!